Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole and you're watching Nick Ink Artistry. Today I have for you guys this really beautiful, fun look with this lavender line through my crease. I had so much fun creating this look. I did take some inspiration from this picture that I found on Pinterest. We're definitely not going as dramatic as this look. I still would consider this look very wearable, what I turned it into. But it's just nice to grab inspiration from other pictures and put together your own look. So that's what I did for you guys today. Most of the eyeshadows were done using the Jeffree Star and Morphe palette. Everything except for the lavender liner. But I have been loving this palette so much. I did recently get this one. I got this probably about a month or so ago around Christmas time. I feel like I've just been gravitating to this one the most recently. It is so beautiful. There's every color that you could ever want. And of course all the warm tones, which I love. And there's some fun little pops of green that I play with every once in a while as well. I think I might do a 2 or 3 looks using this palette, so let me know down below if that's a video that you'd want to see. And of course, while you're at it, comment down below any other kind of video that you want to see from me as well. I've been almost in a rut. I just don't know what to post or what you guys want to see, so I really need your help on that. And please give this video a huge thumbs up if you do like these tutorial style videos. I do love to put out tutorials for you guys just because I can use my creativity and just kind of chill and talk with you guys while I'm doing my makeup. So like I said, please like this video if you like these kinds of videos. That would really help me out. And of course, subscribe to my channel down below. I'm here every Tuesday and Friday of the week, and I'm constantly pumping out all kinds of different content. And so without further ado, let's jump right on into this tutorial. Alright guys, we're jumping right on into the tutorial today. And the majority of the eyeshadows that I'll be using today are going to come from the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette. But don't worry, if you don't have this palette, use whatever you have in your collection. Now, I've already primed and set my eyes, but I'm still going to go in with the bone shade in this palette. It's called Lynn. And I'll put the picture on the screen that I'm trying to recreate today. I'm not going to recreate it down to the T, but I do want to add the element of that little lavender in the crease and things like that. But it looks like she just has a really nice, warm eyeshadow moment going on, so that's what we're going to do. So now I'm diving into Mr. Diva. It's a really cute tan shade. Just gonna start putting that right into my crease. And then I'm gonna go into Boss Angeles. This is a really pretty, like, orangey rust color. I'm gonna start deepening up that outer corner. We're kind of going to be covering this color up in a little bit, so it doesn't need to be super blended or anything like that. Although I barely touched that and it blended out perfectly, so we love that. Alright, so I am going to switch my brushes out. Usually I can complete a whole look with my fluffy blending brush, but I am going to do a step down. Now this was the brush we used before, and this is the brush I'm going to go in with now, so it's kind of like half the size, just a little bit more packed in there. This is just a BH Cosmetics brush. I believe it's brush 122. I'm going to dip into the more berry shades in here now, so I'm going to dip into Calabasas. It's a really pretty, kind of just like a burgundy color. And we're gonna pretty much just go right over that rust shade that we already went in with. And I'm really just putting this on the outer corner and blending it in a little bit. So at the time that I'm filming this on a Friday, and this Friday, today, Jeffree's releasing his like Valentine's Day mystery boxes, which I wish I could get my hands on them, but I know they're gonna sell out in literally no time, and I will be at work, so comment down below if you were interested, if you wanted to pick them up, or if you did. I really wanted to because I haven't ever picked up his mystery boxes before. But I heard they're amazing, and plus he was like, oh, you're gonna get like an exclusive product, and he was really selling them to me on a Snapchat, I will say that. But I think Jeffree can kind of sell me on anything that he puts his name on. It's really making sure those edges are blended out. Alright, I need it to be a little bit more berry than this, so I'm gonna use the same more condensed brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Mogul. Alright, so now I'm just going to take some of the same shades. Like I'm going to take Los Angeles on my lower lash line. Just smoke it out a little bit. Alright, and keeping with our little condensed brush one more time, I'm going to go in with the shade Vroom Vroom. It's just a dark gray color. I usually never wear gray, but just on the very outer corner just to deepen it up a little bit. I don't want to go in with black and make it too dark, and I don't want to go in with brown and kind of neutralize the colors we have going on. So this gray is going to work perfectly just to deepen that up. Of course, I'm bringing it a little bit on the lower lash line, just that outer corner part. And I'm more just tapping that into place. It just kind of blends it out by itself. I don't really need to use any crazy like wiping or swiping motions. And of course, I'm going over with my little blending sponge just on the very outer corners, just to kind of blend away if it's blended a little too far down or whatnot. Just kind of makes all of those lines vanish. All right, so now that we have the eyes kind of mostly complete, I'm going to be taking a little bit of my concealer. I live for the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear one. So I'm going to take that on a little packing crease brush. And I'm not going to map out like a whole cut crease and like block off a whole part of it. I'm literally just going to create a line, kind of if we were to create a full cut crease. But I'm just doing the line. Alright, I don't think my lines are symmetrical, but it's alright. We're going to work with it. We're going to come back to the Jeffree Star Morphe palette in just a minute. I am going to reach for a highlighter though. So I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Alchemist palette. I love using this highlighting palette as eyeshadows or toppers as well, and I love to use them in my inner corners. So I'm just going to take a really tiny brush and dip into the middle color Amethyst. This one is so pretty. I'm just really going to pack up that brush and put it right on top of our concealer. And then I'm going to add that same shade on our inner corner. I literally love how this is coming out. I think I'm going to add a tiny bit of this pink one onto my inner corner as well. Just to give it a little bit more pop. And then I'm going to use the Aurora Glow Kit, the shade Eclipse up here, as a little color on my lid. Now we're not going to bring it like too far up or anything because I still want that like lavender cut crease to still be there. I'm just kind of packing that right on like my lower lid. Ooh, I love how this is coming out. I'm living for it. Alright, so that completes the eyeshadow portion. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and throw some mascara on and we will be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. Here is the finished look. I am obsessed with it. I think it came out so beautiful. It's definitely a lot different from the picture, which I love. I love to be able to just grab inspiration from different pictures and put together my own unique look. So of course, if you recreate this look, make sure to tag me on Instagram at Nick Ink Artistry. I would love to see it. While you're at it, give me a follow too. But this is all I have for you for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below what you guys want to see from me next. If you want to see like more makeup tutorials or more reviews or whatever it is. And of course, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. I do post new videos every Tuesday and Friday of the week. And of course, if you made it this far into the video, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.